Hunter's planking. Planking on the couch. Hello, fellow dreamers. Today is such an exciting day. Yep, I feel like jumping up and down, or I'm gonna spin. Whoa. It is a very exciting day. I really am excited. We got to Miami late last night, woke up this morning to this amazing view. I'm gonna turn it so you can see the view. Here is our view. Oh, this is the Port of Miami. And I'm sure you guys are already thinking, port? Are they going on another cruise? Yes! We are going on another cruise. Hunter and I are going on the Norwegian Bliss. It is the inaugural cruise of this amazing ship. We have never been on Norwegian, so first time cruising on Norwegian Cruise Line and on the brand new ship. We are both so excited. We're both sick, but that's okay. We will survive to go on the Norwegian Bliss. So I'm so excited you guys get to come along with us. We check out the hotel in just a few minutes and then we're gonna run right across. Let me see if I can see the ship. I'm gonna hold it really close so I can see if I can point it out to you. So the ship is right there. That is the Norwegian Bliss. And it was so cool this morning to wake up. We actually saw the ship coming in from this side, went all the way over here, and then backed up, whoop, to where the spot is now. So we woke up to that incredible view, but that's our adventure today. Are we excited? Yeah. Are we sick? Yeah. But are we still excited?
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. And you're wearing your Keep On Dreaming shirt tonight, which is which is very fitting because Norwegian Cruise Line has been on our bucket list. And we're finally going.
Yeah.
I just wish that we could have brought Daddy and Kelly with. But we're gonna have fun.
Yeah.
Do you want me to spin you?
Yes.
Ready?
Nope.
Yeah. Spin, spin, spin.
There it is. The Norwegian Bliss.
Oh, look at the water slide.
Oh, that's so cool. Scary. I'm gonna get so scared to do the water slide. Is it like a tube slide or no?
I don't know. We'll have to find out.
I think this one's like a body slide because like when I was watching the trailer for it.
We are here. And look at the Norwegian Bliss is right in front of us. Look! This is so awesome. There it is. And look at that huge water slide down the side. That's gonna be awesome. What do you think of the water slide? Hunter's like, that looks so cool. They have a huge splash park, water slide. They have go-karts, even laser tag. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have some serious fun. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Lining the path. Balloons just for us. We're so excited. Hi, thank you. And look how shiny everything is on a brand new ship. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do first, Hunter?
Go to our room.
Go to our room. Okay,
And
the
then
rooms
lunch.
are already open, so go drop off our stuff and then lunch.
Yes.
Lunch.
I'm hungry.
I am hungry too. You're here.
Yeah. Look how cool that looks.
It is, it's very cool.
Oh.
Oh, I guess you put your key in.
Doop.
So then we have lights. And then we have lights. Wow. And then a couch. Oh, and then our favorite part.
Oh,
What is the view? What is the view?
is it a balcony?
It is. It's a balcony.
This is cool.
Okay, push to unlock. Okay. Down. I can never figure out these doors. Wow!
So cool. You can see a city.
Oh, you can. Can you see Miami?
Yeah.
There you go.
Looks like New York.
Yes, it does kind of look like New York from here.
Whoa. I could do this in here.
Oh my gosh, this bathroom is huge.
All I could do in the like Disney cruise bathroom is just like
Squish around. Yeah, I could even get in here.
mm-hmm.
And I can twirl. Oh, this bathroom is humongo. Even the shower. Can we both fit in the shower?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can both fit in the shower. Oh, and they have shampoo and conditioner.
And it's the squishy thing.
It's the squishy thingy.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, I totally get it. This is actually a really nice bathroom. Oh, I just totally hit checked you. I think we need to have a dance party in the bathroom. Dance party.
Wait. I haven't done this in forever.
You haven't done the fancy pants dance. This room usually has a king bed, but they separate it just for us to make it easier. But this is totally cute. They've got the beds, and then they have the couch, and there's spots down here.
Oh.
Can you look down here that you can actually pull out to store some more stuff?
No, oh wait, never mind. I thought it was
Right now it has pillows, so that actually must be a bed as well.
This is locked. What is that?
That must be a mini bar.
How do you get the mini bar?
I think mini bar is locked.
It is.
But this is really cool. This is a very cute room. I like it.
We have tea.
It's very cute. Do we have tea and coffee maker? That is huge to have a tea and a coffee maker in your room. Normally you have to go up to get that. That is awesome. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, and they have the Freestyle Daily. So if Kelly was here, this would be the first thing that he would read. So Hunter and I will sit down and read this and figure out what we're going to do today as Hunter grabs it with her tongs. Okay, now for your favorite part, the slow-mo room tour with music. Hit it, Tim. So we don't get lost on the ship, Norwegian has this super cute thing on the floor. So I'm gonna climb on the floor. You guys wanna climb on the floor? Look at the floor. They have these little fishies on the floor. And the little fishies, you know, they swim forward, right? So if you're trying to go to the forward of the ship, follow the fishies to the forward of the ship. And if you're following the tail, you're going aft. So you're going to the back of the ship. So we will never get lost on the ship. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? All right, follow the fishies. Keep swimming. Just keep swimming. A cheeseburger in paradise.
Tastes like a cheeseburger.
So not only do they have cupcakes, but then you can add toppings to your cupcakes. Or you can just get the gummies too. That works too.
Ooh, marshmallows.
Not only do they have awesome ice cream, but then we went over and got a ton of toppings to go on top of the ice cream. Best ever. I'm thinking Norwegian Cruise Line is going to be our favorite cruise line for desserts. They have some seriously good desserts on the ship. Okay, so this is totally cool. They have these little buttons in the room and you just push it if you want your room to be cleaned, or if you don't want to be disturbed, just push the button that says do not disturb, and then these little lights out here light up, so then your stateroom host and hostess knows you're not in the room. Well, bam! How awesome is that?
It's like a countertop with a finger and a thumb in the shape of an upper four.
These are quite the epic lounge chairs. You just need a little tea. Have a little spotty tea.
Like the person fanning me with a leaf.
Yeah.
This is like a tiny leaf. We're going to breakfast at Garden Cafe. Look how delicious this looks.
Hunter forgot her spoon, so instead of going up and getting a spoon at the buffet, she improvises. This is how she's eating her Fruit Loop cereal this morning.
Mom, can you move the camera? Can you move the camera?
Why?
Move the camera.
So we're gonna throw a few pieces of cereal in and a drink milk. That's how you're eating your breakfast this morning.
Right now, Mom and I are just gonna go to the kids club. Just hang out. I just want to check it out. That's guppies. Splash Academy.
All right, Splash Academy.
We're gonna check out this Splash Academy.
All right, elevator deck 5 and turn forward. All right.
Boopity doop doop. We're close.
And it's a parent-free zone. No parents. guys know, but Wyland is on almost all of the Norwegian cruise ships. He actually paints the front end of the ships, which are so cool. Now, you guys also know we're huge fans of Guy Harvey. He's actually here as well. So Guy Harvey and Wyland are both here on the ship for the Norwegian Bliss inaugural, which is super cool. But even more exciting is we're in the kids club, and they actually have coloring sheets that are actually created by Wyland. So the kids can actually do, you know, kind of like color their own picture, but with the Wyland art. Isn't that the coolest ever? So Hunter grabbed one of the coloring sheets, and then she also grabbed these really super cool posters. You actually can have a poster. So I think we may take a poster with us and see if we can get Wyland to autograph it while we're here. But isn't that so cool? It's those little touches. That's really, really neat. So we have been wandering around the ship just to check out and see what they have. And they have so many sweets. You guys know I love dessert. And they have so many sweet things here. They have Starbucks, so of course we had to get a Starbucks coffee. And then they have a place that has crepes, Coco's, that has crepes and like chocolates and all kinds of sweet stuff. And now we're at the bake shop. And the bake shop has Hunter's favorites, macaroons. They have macaroons, and then they have cupcakes. Big cupcakes and then little cupcakes. So you can even just get a small sample. So, you know, I've already like enjoyed so many desserts on this cruise, and I have to say that these are some of the best desserts I've had anywhere on any cruise ship. So pretty impressive. So now we just need to figure out what we're gonna get here at the bake shop.
I got a violet macaroon. It's like holographic. It's hollow. I don't know if you can see it, but it's nice. It's really good.
With so many cupcakes to choose from, I got something different. They had one that is called the Grand Marnier. See, right there. The Grand Marnier cupcake. And I got it just because the top looks so pretty. Doesn't the top look pretty?
Yeah.
So trying the Grand Marnier one. Again, the top. Look at that top. That is so cute.
You gotta eat the top.
That is good.
You wanted the cupcake because of the top. Why don't you try the top?
I just eat the top. So the frosting is very light, very kind of like fluffy. Has a little bit of like an orange flavor to it. So good. So good. Arcade is open, and you know, every kid and big kid loves the arcade. Let's go play some games.
She's like the female version of Jack Rooster, right? I mean,
We're gonna go hit the pool. So excited, the sun's out, beautiful day, and we're gonna go hit the pool and possibly some water slides.
You can't hear my scream!
It's time to save the world. Let's go!
It's time for laser tag. As Hunter said, we're gonna save the world. Hopefully. But this is so cool. So look behind us. Behind us, pool area, right there. And then we are on the 20th deck, and all behind us is this huge laser tag area. This is gonna be so much fun. I don't know.
So we're not allowed to say.
Blue.
What's the adult accent line right
Number
here?
20. What's your gun number?
Are you practicing?
Yes.
Alright.
You wanna know what my style is? Run away.
That is totally not you.
That's my style.
That's not you.
That's my style.
We totally won, which was awesome. But that was a workout. I'm sweating. Are you sweating?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Just like screwing around, trying to avoid them and then take them out. And it was awesome. So what do you think? Are we going to do it again sometime?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So normally this costs $5 per person to do the laser tag here on the Norwegian Bliss. So definitely keep that in mind. There is an extra cost for it, but well worth it. That was seriously, I think that's like been the most fun that we've had so far. Would you
Yeah.
agree? That was awesome. And then teaming up with some other people, it was awesome. A really fun adventure here on the Norwegian Bliss.
And everyone was so nice.
Yeah. So, woohoo, way to go.
Yeah.
Winning. Woo. We're feeling the need for speed. We're gonna go hit the go-kart track, and it's crazy that there is a go-kart track on the Norwegian Bliss. Insane! But we're gonna go in speed and hopefully don't go off the ship. This is crazy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
There they go, right there.
Oh, they're going uphill.
The go-karts were amazing. Would you agree?
Yeah, it's awesome.
It was definitely a long wait to kind of get on. We had a reservation and everything too, and it still took a little bit for us to get on, maybe like 30 minutes
Yeah,
to
not
actually
too
get on. But it was so much fun, and the sun was setting, which was, don't you think that was so cool?
Yeah, I saw it and it was so pretty. It was,
Yeah. It was amazing. Go-karts at sea, go figure. Now this is also a fee. Eating my hair. This one is $5 per person to do the go-karts as well. So keep that in mind. But for $5, you can't even do that locally and ride your go-karts at home. So I think it's definitely worth it to do go-karts at sea.